Welcome to ShopSabre Minutes. I'm Brandon Bombardo. Today we're talking about a feature inside Hypertherm's ProNest LT software that's fully compatible with your ShopSabre CNC air plasma machine. It's called Optimized Hole technology. Before we get into it, let's talk about the natural limitations of CNC plasma when it comes to bolt-ready holes. The general rule: keep your hole size at least 1-to-1 ratio with your material thickness, with no holes smaller than 1/4 inch regardless of the thickness. For example, if you're cutting 1/2 inch material, holes 1/2 inch and smaller can be tricky because of the kerf tolerances. Ideally, your sweet spot with CNC plasma is usually around 1.5-to-1 ratio. But with a bit of fine tuning, you can still get good results on smaller holes. Now note, in materials smaller than 1/4 inch, your smallest hole should never exceed 1/4 inch. So what is optimized hole and why should you care? Let's say you need to drop a bolt into a hole that you want to cut with as little bevel as possible using your air plasma. Sure, laser cutting or drilling will always give you tighter tolerances, but optimized hole lets you get the best possible hole quality using your air plasma. Here's how it works. It slows the cut speed when the torch is making the hole, which helps the plasma arc stay truer. This means less bevel compared to standard cutting. The trade-off? You might get a little bit more backside slag, but the boost in hole quality is worth it. Let's take a look at a side-by-side comparison. Optimized hole does take a little longer, but just look at the differences. The hole tolerance is visibly better, meaning cleaner and more accurate cuts and less cleanup. Now, I'd recommend experimenting with your settings as every material and diameter has its limitations. But this feature comes standard on every ShopSabre CNC plasma with ProNest LT license. When it comes to pushing your boundaries, ShopSabre CNC plasma technology paired with Hypertherm optimized hole gives you the edge over your competition. You'll maximize performance while optimizing throughput. I'm Brandon Bombardo with ShopSabre CNC. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.